Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you another inspirational kit for the month of October. I do have two videos for you to watch that are on the channel of my designer for this month, which is Carmen from Lokven. I will put the links down below in the description box for you. Just go ahead and watch those videos and come back to see what you can create with this kit that you can purchase. You can do so by following me on my Facebook, Marciana Designs, also on Instagram, and of course those links will be in the description box as well. So let's get into the kit and start with all the beautiful velvet trims and yarns that you will get. These are, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yards of beautiful color coordinated treasures, and I love them because you have velvet trims, you have a sort of shiny trim, and some yarns that are really special as well for you to use on tassels, on clusters, and so on. So I'm just loving these colors, and they are they all coordinate well with this collection, which is called Atelier de Rart. That's my best French that I can do it as well, and this is from Stamperia. So that's where I got the inspiration from, these colors. Sorry for the quick flip through, but it is just a beautiful and stunning collection to have as well. So take a look at that. Then I added a vintage doily for you. Beautiful crocheted one, and it is just stunning. I love the pattern of this, and it's quite a large one. As you can see, it fits in well over 2 hands. So that's for this part. Then I have 2 pieces of vintage, yeah, even this one is even antique, I must say, pieces of lace, and on top I've used some gorgeous wild orchid crafts flowers for you, just to tidy that up and to give it a pop of dimension. A set of 2 beautiful, oh maybe more, sorry, a set of 3. I'll just grab this one first. This is also an antique piece, and a set of 3 vintage postcards. They're all from Belgium, so that's for that. And this is the last one. You can really use these and distress these perfectly. Also a set of postcards. Let me just slide those like so you can see it a little bit. This is the first one, and this is the next one with beautiful lily of the valley piece there, and some of them even have like a gorgeous writing on the back, which I love. And this is the last one, a vintage image there. So that's for that. And then we have in the bag lots of doodads. Let me see if I can take this piece out. Let me share with you first the stamp, which is this gorgeous stamp with very detailed leaf patterns inside there. Then a tea bag, which you can alter as well. My designer really did a great job by altering it with some tissue paper there from the collection of Tim Holtz. I do have a word here, which is the word brave. But you can use this in any kind of, in any kind of style that you like. You can use the letters on themselves, and of course that's up to you. And also distress them a little bit more to take off the shine. A great tip for that is also in the film of my designer. So she did create some gorgeous projects with that. Then for the next tea bag, it's filled with all kinds of teeny tiny bits and pieces that you can use throughout a journal to create tags, cards, ephemera pieces. Oh, the last one is pretty tricky. Let me try to slide it out really carefully. This is the, yeah, let me see, like this. And this, of course, if you use a matte medium as well, you can take the shine off the pieces. So these are the bits and pieces that are all in there. Let me try if I can grab and get this in. Yes. The rest I'll do later. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button for more videos. And this is the last tea bag that I have, also with some chipboard pieces, a wooden veneer, a letter, there are a number, I must say, some filigree pieces there, and I just love this collection. It's so vintage, and also, yeah, just gives you more of an idea on how to distress things. I just love it. So that's for this. And please don't hesitate to ask me any questions if you are looking for a custom-made kit with maybe just one color, or if you're looking for specialty pieces, just go ahead and to my channel, and please leave a comment or visit my Facebook page, Marjana Design, and on my Instagram. I will put all the links down below as well. Gorgeous piece here. Just loving this Battenberg piece. It's already there for you to use. More of these 2 pieces there. You can see the gorgeous pattern, the butterflies. This piece, sort of a linen structure, also great for a frame, or maybe if you're doing some stitching, you can add on some flowers on that. Gorgeous. And this piece as well. Then for the papers, I add on a large pocket which you can use, embellish, adorn, yeah, just create your own cluster with it. Just do whatever you love to create, and send it off to a special friend or as a keepsake for in your journals. So that's this piece. Let me just grab this again. We have some pieces of very beautiful high embossed papers. It's a wallpaper, but it has really beautiful structure. I'm hoping you can catch that up in a camera. And they all coordinate with the colors which are in this kit, and also from the paper collection. This is like that. I already showed you this one. A piece of ephemera that you can use, of course, inside like this, or as a front of a card, as a base. That's also possible. Then the pieces that you get of the Stamperia Atelier des Arts. This is which is this one. This is the back. I'm just loving this gorgeous structure. You have this with lots of quotes, all related to the art. And this is the back, which is also perfect for little tags and doodads. That's super beautiful. So, dear friends, this is my kit for the month of October. Please contact me if you're interested as well, if you would love to purchase this one, or maybe something that is similar to this, but just more to your, if you like specialty pieces inside, you can also request a custom-made kit. And yeah, I just can't wait to hear from you what you think about the kit, about the components that I put inside. Maybe there are things that you would love to see in future kits, or elements that you really want me to look up for you and to find them especially for you. If you want some more information, I'll just an extra peek or the first view, find my Margina Designs on Facebook. It's a group, so I can add you onto that, so you can see the first peeks and the first releases of my kits there before the YouTube. And yeah, that's all I wanted to mention for today. Thanks to you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.